Good on, guys. Good morning. Good morning. This fine Sunday morning, currently on the balcony in Dubai. It's beautiful out here. Shame you can't see it, but behind me, you can't see the view. I've only got a couple of windows, so you've got my beautiful backdrop there. Okay, so guys, weekly forecast. We're going to be doing gold and GJ as we do every week. We're going to keep things up with gold and then jump things over to GJ. So we've got gold here. I've cleared the chart. So if we head up to the monthly time frame and we can start breaking it down, let me just remove these alerts from last week and see what price is doing. So again, following on from last week, we have this level here, this support level. Now, anything above here, I've been looking for buys, and anything below here, I've been looking for sells. And you see why? Well, you'll know why if you watch the previous analyses, but you'll see why as we break the timeframes down here. And now we've got the monthly candle pushing back below here. So if we go on down onto the weekly, let's see where the weekly closed. Okay, so this weekly continuation, this is the candle I wanted to see last week. Can you see here? Look, we got the weekly high, we got the weekly low. And while we was above this support level here, you can see it now, it's becoming more clear. While I was above this previous support level here, support resistance, I've been looking for buys because again, look, you can see with that wick, it was acting as strong support. So we did get a couple of buys in from there, and now price has decided to continue. But now price is continuing on the weekly. You can see the weekly candle is now pushing down, and the next target is this weekly low down here. So now we are back under this 1928 level, 27 level. We are looking for sells, so we can delete that. So what I'm going to expect next week, as just about always when we get a new candle open, I'm going to expect a pullback to this level here again, this 1930 level, and we can see, or just below 1930, we can see we've got an imbalance there from the previous candle. So I'm going to expect the weekly candle to open up bullish, and then I'm going to be looking for sell opportunities in this zone here down to that weekly low. And again, you know, if we break above here and we start making structure on the lower time frame, that'll be 1 hour and 4 hour probably bullish. So we will look to, you know, take buys again. However, while we're under here, we are looking to take sells. Daily time frame. So what can we see here? The daily's bearish. You can see here, look at this impulse, this like head and shoulders at the tall breaker structure. Now we're trending bearish. Daily high, daily low here. And this price action here, look, we've had this impulse here on the daily, and now price looks like it's ready to pull back. We closed bullish there. Now, if we get the candle open up bullish, we break this high, that's giving us a reversal pattern. Now, we are on a retracement, so we're not going to expect the reversal pattern to head all the way up to these highs. However, it might, as I said earlier, if we break back above here, that'll be like the 4 hour bullish. We'll have a look on the lower time frames, and then we'll be looking to trade, you know, up to that daily high there. We're just going to take it level by level and take it as it comes. So we can see here, we're expecting the daily and the weekly to open up bullish and head up to this level here. So this is our first POI, our first key level that we're going to be looking to take sells from to catch that higher time frame move with a lower time frame confirmation. Okay, 4 hour. What have we got here? And again, we can see that 4 hour is turning bullish. And you can see what I said. Look at this on this level here. If we get above here, that will flip the 4 hour and the 1 hour bullish. And that is exactly where the 4 hour high is. Like magic, huh? So what can we see? We're bearish at the moment on the 4 hour. We've currently got a failed low here. So again, that's a good indication. Price is failing to break the low, that we are going to head back up and potentially test the 4 hour highs. Now, again, while we are below this level, 1927 level here, and we've got the 4 hour bearish, daily bearish, weekly bearish, we are looking for sells. Now, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, what's the 1 hour time frame doing? I've got the 1 hour time frame is bullish here because we have got this bit of structure here, this small bit of structure down here that did break the previous structure. Now you can see this was the last bearish impulse before structure got broken, and then we've got this bullish price action here, impulse, retracement, impulse, and then where's that previous low? Here. So the previous low came from here, and that still isn't broken yet. So you see we've got no candle closes below there. So until we get a candle close below here, obviously on the hourly break and retest, then we could look for a straight continuation on the 4 hour and, you know, the 1 hour. The candles had lined up with that confirmation. But we're above here, local bullish on the 1 hour. got these low volume candles, but we haven't broke structure. We're still bullish. This is creating a potential reversal pattern at the bottom as well, because this is the furthest the price can go down without breaking structure. We've got bullish candles, low volume ones. However, we're expecting price to take off. So on market open, price could nip down, check that liquidity, and then pump. We are expecting price to pump, test the 1 hour high, and then take price up to the 4 hour high. Now, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That's the situation I'm looking for there. That lines up with all of the confluences here. From the monthly that we marked up. Oh, what happened to our... It's a bit wonky, that, isn't it? I thought that was a straight line. Yeah, while we're underneath this previous support, look, we're looking for sells. Weekly, we're looking for continuation because we're bearish. However, new weekly candle, what we're expecting a retracement, boom, retracement to fill the imbalance here, back up to the 1927, 1928 zone, and then we're looking for sells, which is also sharing the high with the 4 hour. So you can see how we're building the confluences here. So we're getting the filled low here, and we've got a structure break on the 1 hour, so the 1 hour is bullish. So we've got a 1 hour double bottom here as well. You know, so if we break this level here, current 1 hour high, break and retest, that'll give us confirmation that price is potentially going to aim for this liquidity here. I will be aiming for this liquidity if we get buys from here. I will be taking profit earlier though if price doesn't shoot straight up. Like if price is trickling up here and you know, got some really low volume candles, I'll be taking profit earlier. However, if price pushes straight up, then I'll have the TP set above here because I'm not expecting price, you know, to continue going up and up and up. However, if we do break structure up here and we retest this 4 hour high and we break structure on the 4 hour, then I'm going to be looking for continuations. But until that happens, let's say level by level. So that's all I'm looking for going into next week on gold. Let's jump over to GJ and have a look at what's going on over here. Head up to the monthly time frame and we can see what is going on. So the target that I've been speaking about for weeks now is filled. This imbalance here on the monthly time frame, look, the candle's pushed right into it. So my following targets on the monthly, as we are bullish and price is pushing, and I'm super happy that we closed bullish like that. Finally, we've got that confirmation candle on the weekly that price is going to continue up. These are all following targets, this high and this high. So what have we got here? Monthly bullish. Previous month, we wicked the high, had that big pullback. We didn't fill the imbalance though. I was hoping that it was going to fill the imbalance and it was going to give us some buys from here. But never mind, didn't happen. And last week, if you look on the weekly candle, look at this. Price faked the low, closed literally 181. Faked the low, closed literally 181 again. And the week after, I thought this was going to be a sell-off continuation candle. This was on a Friday. Friday candle push all the way down here. This was like one move here. Boom! Look at that. Like, crazy amount of pips. Not all of that. Like down here it was. And then price goes all the way back up. So there's so many people selling, and you know everybody who was selling there just got wiped out. But it did look on that Friday that was going to sell off and was going to continue down to these levels, or these levels here to continue. But yeah, now we've got this candle closed up. You see, we've had wicks everywhere for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm super happy we've got this confirmation candle here. So now I'm expecting GJ to start moving again. See, on the weekly, we're bullish. We broke the previous weekly high. Did we break the previous weekly high? Did we finish? No, we finished level. Oh, can we class that as a break? No, finish. It did with like a millimeter there, close above. So what we got here? Price is bullish. We're expecting that continuation. We have filled this imbalance here. So what I need to see is for price to break up here, gives that retest and continuation. That's what I'm looking for here. That's on the lower time frame. I'm not expecting the weekly candles to break and retest like that. We'll be there for probably a long time. Let's go down to the daily, see what's happening. So again, the daily, ideally, to confirm this move here, we need a daily candle close above here. So I'm looking for that on Monday. We get a nice push up here. And I will be looking to trade this. You know, if we get one hour closes, 4 hour closes above here, I'm going to be looking to take price up myself. However, if we fake this high, you know, I might look for sales if the confirmation is decent, you know, down to these previous levels here. If we break through here, then, you know, down to these lows. We're very, very strong resistance here, you know, so price could sell off from here hard as well. That's what we've got to remember. If we have a look what happened in the past, you know, look, when we got up to this level, I mean, look where price went. Last time price was here, there was a lot of strength in the market from here, so it went down thousands of pips. So we've got to keep that in mind when we're buying up here. And now it's disappeared. Oh no, there it is. So it's why we're going to take it level by level. So we've got, you know, monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Ideally, we need a daily candle close above here to confirm that. And again, we're down on the 4 hour now. So 4 hour bullish. So this is what I want to see. I want to see 4 hour close above here. I don't care. This zone here, for me, it's a no trade zone. We've got a lot of wicks in there. And this is the zone where you're going to get faked a lot. You know, if you're trying to take entries on imports and stuff, I just wouldn't recommend it. We need a solid structure break. Daily candle close above would give us that. 4 hour, obviously, candle close above would give us that. If we get a small candle close here, obviously we could take it on the candle close. However, if price you know, decides to shoot. Ooh. Which one are we on? Which one am I marking up? Yeah, if price decides to shoot like all the way up like this, maybe a little bit far-fetched, just put it down. Like if price decides to shoot all the way up like that, we'll have to wait, you know, for a pullback, or we'll have to wait for structure again to confirm here before, you know, we look to take price up again. 1 hour. What have we got here? You see again, look, no trade zone, wicks, previous weekly high, liquidity here. So for us to take buys, this is what we're looking for. We need a solid 1 hour candle close, break and retest above this level here. Now we've got a lot of liquidity lying down here as well. You know, we've got all these previous levels, previous weekly low, and down here, look, as well. So, you know, price could quite easily fit the high, and if it does this, gives a nice head and shoulders. I will be targeting these levels here. I'll be targeting a 1 hour low, and I'll be expecting this to break. And normally when we get liquidity like this, it'll break and retest on the trend line. Like it'll sort of liquidity, come back up. And then if we get confirmation there again, if price holds, then it'll attack this low here. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. As a break and retest above here on the 1 hour to confirm that continuation. Candle closes is super important here. Candle closes will give us that direction. If we don't get candle closes above, you know, price, and we get confirmation, price is going to, you know, tackle this liquidity here. And, you know, if we get confirmation again, then price is going to go, you know, tackle this low and these lows down here. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video, and hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. I recommend, guys, that you jump in the Discord and join us. You know, if you're looking for live trading every day, I've got a mini course in there. I really simplify trading. Really, really easy. It's $99 a month, so you can go in, go through the course, and watch me execute it live on the charts every day. And speaking of live, I'm live literally 5-6 hours a day, trading, customer service. I don't really know any of the groups online, manual or automated groups, like trading robot groups, so you get that kind of support. I'm live all day, every day, from London Open, pre-London, Dubai time, 9 a.m. for 5-6 hours. And just get all your questions answered, get live support for anything you need, manual trading questions, automated trading questions. And guys, just a super awesome place to be. And on top of that, we've got the Funded Lab, which is the flagship program that I've now launched, and we will refund your challenge fees if you don't get funded. This is super cool. And though I don't just refund any size challenge, there is a process to follow. So if you do want to know more about this, please book a call below, guys. We absolutely smash the prop firm challenges in here. We've got an automated process which helps you smash, pass, and stack these prop firm challenges. And super awesome place to be again. As I said, next level community, automated prop firm passing, and payouts leveraging the power of AI, the Funded Lab. And we'll give you a refund on the fees if you don't pass. So, guys, if that's not enough of a tempting offer to at least book a call and come check it out if you're looking to get funded, then let me know. Let me know what would be a better offer. What would entice you more? Let me know in the comments. So, anyway, thank you, guys, and have a good rest of your weekend. Bosh.